Hello, first of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a new assignment for you. The name of this assignment is Go Assess Chapter 2 Grader 2E Homework Biological Supplies 1.1. Before starting this assignment, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this complete course for you at a reasonable price. I can do all the other courses for you like Word, Access, Excel, PowerPoint, Math, Stat, Business Math, Finance, Accounting, Writing, Technical Writing, all these things. So first of all, we will look at the project description. In this project, you will use a database to answer questions about biological laboratory supplies at a college. You will open and save an existing database, create a relationship between two tables, sort records in a table, and create queries in design views. Creating queries in existing queries, sort queries result and specifies the query. So this is our project description. Now we will move to step number 1. In step number 1, it is saying start assess. Open the downloaded file named student assess 2e biological supplies.accdb and enable content. So we have to download this file. For this, here is this file. I have opened it. It's open now. If here is the option coming that enable editing, then you can enable the editing. Now we will move to step number 2. But before starting step number 2, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this full assignment for you at a reasonable price. It is saying using vendor ID as common field. Create a one-to-many relationship between the 2E vendor tables and the 2E biological lab supplies table. Enforce rational integrity and enable both cascade option. So we will open this file, and now it is saying relationship, create relationship. For creating relationship, we will go to database tool, and here is the database tool. And now here we will click relationships. After clicking relationships, here the option is coming of tables to a biological labs table, vendor table, and this is the system file. If this is coming, then it's okay. Otherwise you can click here by selecting add tables. This will appear. Now what table it is saying? It is saying vendors table and 2E. So here is the vendor table. I will just double click on it, and next is 2E biology lab supplies. This is the table, and it is saying using vendor ID as common field. So this is vendor ID, and here is vendor ID. So I will just double click on it and expand it. So I will just select this vendor ID and drag it till the vendor ID. Next, it is saying enforce rational integrity and enable both cascade option. So here I will enforce rational integrity and cascade both option and select create. So the relationship is created now. Next, we will move to step number 3. And this assignment is consist of 11 points. Here I am going to solve first 5 points for you. If you want me to do rest of this assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, my email address, my Instagram, Facebook, wherever you feel comfortable. It is saying create a relationship report with normal margins, save it as 2E relationship, close all the open objects. So here we have to create report. As you can see in relationship design, here is option of relationship report. I will click on it, and this will generate a relationship report, but it is saying the report will be normal margins. For normal margins, here we will click on page size, and in margins we will select normal margin. So this is done now. Next it is saying save it as 2e relationships. So here I will just right click on it and press select. This is name by default, so I will erase it, and here I will select 2e and space relationships. So I will just save it, close it, and also close this window as it is said in the end. Next we will move to step number 4, but before starting step number 4, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying in step number 4, it is saying in the last record of 2e vendor table, change the data in the vendor ID field from V100 to V001. Save and then close the table. The related records in 2e biological lab supplies table will be automatically updated. So here we have to change the record. It is saying in the last record. So here of vendor 2e vendor table. So here first we have to open the vendor table. This is vendor table. I will just double click on it. It will be open. Next it is saying change the data in the vendor ID field from V100 to V001. So here I will just select it, double click on it, and this is V100, so I will erase it, and here I am going to type V-001. Next it is saying save and close the table. So here I will just left click on it, save, and then I will just close it. So it is updated now. So I have completed 4 steps for you. Next we will move to step number 5. But before starting step number 5, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve this complete course for you at a reasonable price. It is saying open your 2e biological lab supplies table. Sort the record first in ascending order by the price per atom and then in ascending order by category. Close the table and save the changes. So here I am just going to open. I will double click on it, 2e biological and lab supplies table, and first it is saying change the data in the vendor this is step number 4. We are on step number 5. It is saying sort the record first in descending order by price per atom. So this is price per atom. I will just click on it, and here I will select descending. It is in descending order, and then ascending order by category. So here this is category. I will select ascending. So this will be done. Next it is saying close the table and save the changes. So here I will just right click on it, press save, and then I will close this table. So I have done with step number 5. Next is the step number 6. It is saying create a query in query design view based on the 2e biological lab supplies table to answer the question what is the atom ID, atom name, room, location, and quantity in stock for all the atoms sorted in ascending order by the room field and the location field. Display the field in the order listed in the question. Save the queries as 2 items by room query. So I have completed all these steps for one of my student, and if you want me to do this complete assignment, then I can solve it out for you at a reasonable price. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.